Good morning and welcome to the Figueroa fam channel, and today I just wanted to share with you guys some natural cleaning products that I use and love, and I think it's just awesome for moms with little children or pregnant moms that want some natural cleaning products that they can use around little kids or while you're pregnant, so you don't have to worry about smelling in chemicals. And I just love using natural products that I know I'm not ruining my own health, making my home nice and clean, and that I'm not ruining anyone else's health or my children's health, or especially when you're pregnant, chemicals are really bad for you. So let's get started. The first thing is I'm gonna start with a deep cleaning spray. It is a 7th generation tub and tile natural cleaner. I love this thing. Whenever my tub, or I even use it for the toilet or sink in the bathroom, this is really awesome. It cleans very well and it is natural cleaner. I will link down below. Hi, bud. I will link down below all of the cleaning products that I will be mentioning. Next one I have is the Pure Castile soap. I have the lavender scent. Pure Castile soap is a natural soap made with natural oils, and this thing is awesome to wash your dishes, or you mix it with water and you use it as an all-purpose cleaner. So anywhere you can want to clean, or washing your dishes with natural oils soap. Also, I love the Meyers Clean Day. It's an all-purpose multi-surface everyday cleaner. There's all kinds of different scents, and each season they have seasonal scents. I love the pumpkin scent. I have that one also, and this one is the lemon verbena, yeah. I love the smell. It gives our home a fresh kind of, just a fresh airy smell. So I use this on countertops, on my wood surfaces, furniture, to make it all shiny and clean and smell good. I love using this anywhere. I even use it on my kitchen table, just literally anywhere, like an everyday spray. I usually use this on my countertops in my kitchen to quickly just wipe any dirt away, and it makes the countertops smell very yummy. And this one I use when it is Legacy of Clean. It's a bit harder to get. It's usually online that you have to buy it. It's a kitchen cleaner. It's a natural, cuts grease naturally. I use this when I deep clean the kitchen to get if there's anything that's kind of stuck that I've missed over my daily cleaning, where I cook, or the sink, and it smells very yummy and great, and it has a very light scent. So I think if a pregnant mom would use this and you're very heightened to smell, that it would be okay, because some cleaners, they have a very strong scent that would also be hard for a pregnant mom. This is another one from the Legacy of Clean. It barely smells either. It has like this very mild, nice scent that would be also perfect for a pregnant mom. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. So you put a little bit of this and you mix it with water, and you can just wipe away anything. Also, I use this mostly in my kitchen and bathrooms, is a 7th generation disinfecting multi-purpose cleaner. I use this when I feel like when I use chicken, and you know, I try not to get chicken anywhere, my hands or something, but it always ends up either a little bit of chicken liquid on the counters or something. So I always spray this and wipe away, so I make sure there is no salmonella or whatever from the chicken or meat, or just make sure especially I love using this when we're sick or after being sick, so all that bacteria gets killed in the whole house. You can use it anywhere, and it's natural, and it's also a lemongrass citrus scent, which I love the freshness it brings into a home. It's very earthy smell, like some people might not like the lemongrass scent, but I'm pretty sure they have other scents, but I really like it. The last one is also kind of like a deep cleaning spray that I use. It's a bit more on the expensive side. It is Biokleen bathroom cleaner. I don't exactly remember. I will link it down below, but I think it was around $9. It was up there. But this thing truly cleans really good. If you have a dirty tub or dirty toilet or tile that got dirty. Hi, bud. So if you have a dirty tile, it does really wonders. You would have to read obviously the directions where you leave it a little bit longer if there's more dirt and grime, but this thing does really good. I spray and I use this for my toilet all the time, so I have this downstairs in my toilet, bathroom. I use it for the sink. Yeah, it's just, I would definitely recommend this. Hope you guys liked the video. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And if you guys like lifestyle and home content, please subscribe down below. And if you guys have any questions or any other cleaning products that work great, comment down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.